Get in the balls, mate. It's fucking scary looking to me. I don't think it's safe here either. I can see me going. Fucking close, man. Yeah, that's what's off-putting. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus Christ.
It's fucking easy to ride them up there, you know that, don't you?
Nah, mate, it's a fun in that. I'm after a good workout.
This is the easy bit.
Fuck. The easy bit? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're fucked then, aren't we? Well, I am.
Come on. Be able to ride it from there. Man of your fucking calibre.
Fucking hell, bro.
I'll walk back there and get my belongings.
Yeah, you do another walk.